Hi guys, welcome once again to my kitchen. Today I would like to share my recipe cooking chicken feet. We call this adidas. Okay, I would like to welcome you cooking with Tita. So come on, cook with Tita. Well, first of all, let's do our ingredients. Chicken feet, 3 packages of chicken feet. This much, okay? My granddaughter loves this adobo chicken feet, Filipino style, okay? So while we're talking, I am preheating my wok right here. Okay, we're gonna need oil, and we're gonna need 1 cup any soy sauce. I like to use Marca Pena. Right here, I put 2.5 cups of vinegar. This is my homemade apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar. Okay, today I'm using apple cider. Now right here, I have ginger root. Okay, been chopped like that. 1 large white onion, chopped big chunks like that. Okay, 1 bulb garlic smashed. Okay, over here we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper and bay leaves. I like the taste or aftertaste of it. So if you have plenty, which I do, you can use 5, whatever, 4, 5. All right, so let's start our cooking. Okay, first we are going to put vegetable oil. All right, it's already preheated. Any oil will do. 3 tablespoons. Okay, to saute all of the ingredients. So now let's put this to high heat. Okay, high heat. We're gonna put our garlic, our ginger root. Okay, all right. This dish, it's gonna be like a little sour. That's what adobo is, Philippine style. A little sour and a little salty. Okay, if you're worried about salt, you know, you can use 1 cup and 1/2 cup. Okay, you know what I'm saying? To this, I would like to put the chicken feet. Don't dump all your meat into your skillet or frying pan or wok. You say the dripping. You don't want the dripping in there. So now, to this, you just mix it and let it cook until, you know, it's a little brown. Okay, so I would say, because I'm looking at this now, you know, we need more than 5 minutes. Okay, so it's already coated. You have to coat it with the oil, right, guys? Cover it like that. All right. Our heat still high. Okay. Let's come back about 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but you have to flip it. Okay, flip it and don't leave it there, because we're not frying it. We're just browning it. Okay. This is been cooking for 4 minutes, 2 minutes at a time. I came and stir it, mix it like this. So it's fairly brown now. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to put our black pepper and bay leaf. Okay, all right, like that. And then we're going to put our soy sauce. Be careful. Oh my goodness, I like that smell of soy sauce like that. Okay, and then we're going to put our vinegar. Like I said, any vinegar will do. All right, so and then you're gonna have to mix this. Okay, saturated all that meat in there, right? Coat it with the soy sauce like that. We're going to cover this. Okay, and your heat would be medium high. Okay, not high anymore, medium high. Okay, and then once in a while, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes or so, I would say every 10 minutes, come and mix it. Cover it again for another 10 minutes, and then mix it again until your meats are tender. Okay, and then when it gets tender, guys, okay, 5 minutes before you shut off your heat, put this in there and mix it, right? Okay, all right, guys, I will show you how it looks when it gets done. Okay, guys? All right, guys. Okay, 5 minutes up. This is how it looks. Okay, you see? That's how it looks, right? Your onion is nice and tender. Your meat is nice and tender. It took 30 minutes to tenderize. Okay, with a medium high heat. This is delicious. I like the tendon. Okay, let me see. Yeah, it's tender, all right. It's so tender, guys. All right, see that? I wanna try this. If you like to try this, guys, that's what you have to do, okay? I hope you like my recipe. Until next time we cook again, as I always say, bon appetit. Bye.